In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Microsoft To Do. If you're someone who juggles between multiple productivity tools, syncing Trello with Microsoft To Do can be a game changer for streamlining your workflow. So let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly connect these two platforms using Zapier. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zapier homepage. If you're not familiar, Zapier is a handy online tool that connects different apps and automates workflows. Open up your browser, type in zapier.com, and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Create button, which will allow you to start setting up your integration, or as Zapier calls it, your Zap. With the Create button clicked, the next step is to select Zaps from the available options. Now, Zaps are essentially the workflows you'll create to connect Trello and Microsoft To Do and automate tasks between them. Click on Zaps to begin crafting your specific integration. Now it's time to define what will trigger your Zap. Look for the Trigger option and select it. The trigger is the event in Trello that will set off the workflow. Think of it as the starting gun for your automation. Once you click on Trigger, you'll be prompted to choose from a list of apps. Here, you'll select Trello as it's the app where the initial event will occur. After choosing Trello, you'll move on to the next phase, which is setting up the action. Click on Action to define what happens in Microsoft To Do once your trigger is activated. This is where the magic of automation happens. When something occurs in Trello, Zapier will automatically carry out a task in Microsoft To Do. You'll now need to specify Microsoft To Do as the app for your action. So click on Microsoft To Do in the list of available apps. This step is crucial because it links the completion of your Trello trigger to a corresponding action in Microsoft To Do, like creating a new task or updating an existing one. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up an integration between Trello and Microsoft To Do using Zapier. This setup will help you keep both applications in sync, ensuring that you never miss a task or deadline. Remember, the key here is automation, which saves you time and enhances your productivity. If you're satisfied with the configuration, go ahead and test your Zap to make sure everything flows as intended. Once you're confident, turn on your Zap and you're all set for a smoother, more organized workflow. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.